Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. This is Mohammad Badruddin back again with another lab number 7 from cross-site scripting vulnerability module. So before going further, this little disclaimer as always for you. This video and its content are only for educational and awareness purpose, and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. Before going further, if you did not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. And I want to apologize that I was not here from a long time. It's been around, I think, 1 month. So, but I'm back and I'm happy, and I promise you guys, I'm not going to leave you in the middle way. So, that's been said, this lab is really not very tough, and I will keep it as simple as possible. Okay, I'm not going to make it overcomplicated. So the lab is all about reflected XSS into attribute with angle brackets HTML encoded. Fine. So let's see. First of all, I want to see if I put something like this, okay, with angle brackets and any input. Let's see what it does. So I'm going to search, and once I search, I can see whatever I try to search, it's already there. Okay, but one thing to be noted here, that it's already in the single quote. All the value it's taking, and the data type here is string. So anything you type, it takes as it is. But because it's accepting less than sign and greater than sign, so that means perhaps there is no output encoding there. So I want to test script. Okay, script alert alert whatever, and then I'm going to close the script tag, and let's see. Okay, and as you can see, again, it whatever I type here, it takes it as a string and reflected it as a string. These special characters are not working, and it said here angle brackets with angle brackets HTML encoded. Okay, so let's see. I want to see where this string we have in the page source. So I go to inspect, and I'm going to click this button, arrow button, and wherever I hover my cursor, it is going to show me here. So you can see here the search value is this, but I want to see if there is any script tag or something. So this is the get method for the root directory. Let's expand this more, and here you can see this is the input tag, and the type is text, placeholder, whatever it's saying in the input field. Name is search, and this is the value. This is the value, and this value, whatever we search, is enclosed with the double quotes. Fine. Let's try something else. A search again, and let's try one more time. Okay, this is the value. So you can see it's inside the double quote. What I'm going to try at this instant to add here a function. Okay, a function. Let's see, and how we can do this. We can add here double quotes. Okay, and let's write anything here and search it again. Here we go, and you can see this part. Okay, fine. You can see whatever I write after this double quote, it is going to take that as another parameter, and it is going to put it here inside this input tag as another parameter. Okay, same like name, value, placeholder, type, like this. So now what my purpose here is to see if I can insert here a function, and let's call the alert one. So let's see, on, we can say here double quote, because this double quote is going to separate whatever I write here. So on click, okay, is equal to, I'm going to call alert 1 and enclose this, search it again, okay, and when I click, it should execute it on click, because the function we are calling is on click. So whenever I click, it should pop up this alert, but it's not working, so we need to check that out. Okay, so there is nothing inside the value. Parameter is completed here, another parameter is started on click, and alert 1, we have 2 more double quotes here. Okay, let's see, we manage this same thing a bit. We don't want to put here double quotes. Okay, so this one is enclosed here, then it is start again. So I'm going to delete it from here, and let's see, put it here, and we see what it's going to be. So again, okay, that seems perfect now. That seems perfect, because you see this parameter name and the value is in the double quotes. So same like here, this is the parameter name and the value is in the double quotes, but instead of this parameter, we use this parameter as a function which is going to call this alert function. And because this is on click, so whenever we click on this input field, it should throw us this alert. So let's click, and wonderful, fine, that means it's working. And that way we identify that this field is vulnerable to reflected cross-site scripting. But the thing is, the lab is still not solved. Okay, so why this lab is not solved, I'm going to tell you the reason. Because few functions are there, methods are there, that are specifically more affected on different browsers, right? So we need to search something that works on Mozilla Firefox. So there is a cheat sheet comes with the port swigger, and this is very good cheat sheet for the cross-site scripting in terms of creating a payload and what events you are trying to put in the payload, use in the payload. The second important part here is you can see all the HTML tags are here. So if you are planning to create a payload for XSS and you are planning to test with different tags, so you can choose HTML tags from here. You can call any event from here, and also if you are targeting a specific browser, you can choose the browser here. And once you choose the browser, you will find out like for that specific browser which event is going to work, right? So because we are working on Firefox, what I put here on click, maybe if you use this payload or this method, okay, with the Chrome browser or any Chromium browser, maybe this is going to work and you will solve the lab. But because this is Firefox, so let's see, I'm going to choose Firefox. And here we have input field, right? The input field and Firefox browser. Okay, event tag. You can see now whatever we see here is only for Mozilla Firefox. So with Mozilla Firefox, we can use this method like on after script execute, which we don't want. This is the input tag. Okay, let's see, there are different methods. We used on click before. Okay, on click will work with you can say Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and all, but I don't know, that was not working. Why? Most of the time on click and mouse hover, okay, these all method works. Let's see what else. On change, we are not going to use this one. On drag, to drag something into the input field, not exactly. On error, okay, we can try this on error, but to generate or to throw an error, there should be a condition before that. Okay, and we are not going to put we are not putting any condition. On focus, no. On input, on load, okay, on mouse over. This is what I was saying, on hovering the mouse or the cursor on the specific place. So let's try this one. Where is it? Come back here, and we are going to use, no, not this one, yeah, this one, but instead of on click, I'm going to say on mouse over. Okay, hit enter. Let's see. So if we hover the mouse, you can see the alert is generated and the lab is solved. Okay, so that's it for this lab. Hope you understand it. Please like, subscribe and share. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.